In the world of manufacturing, movement is the pulse. Without it, production stalls, deadlines slip, and the factory falls out of rhythm. These are real questions, and behind each of them is a production bottleneck waiting to be revealed. For over 4 decades, Dhanvanthri Engineers have transformed such challenges into opportunities, delivering bespoke, automation-led material handling systems. From handling soap to steel, cupcakes to chemicals. We don't sell conveyors. We deliver a smart flow. Our systems don't just fit, they perform, increasing ROI, improving reliability, and boosting throughput, all without expanding your floor plan. With over 2,500 turnkey projects across 17 plus countries and 15,000 plus kilometers of conveyors delivered, our 100 plus technical, design, and automation experts are the real drivers behind our innovation. With 2 factories in Navi Mumbai and a third on the way, we are strategically placed near ports and key highways, ensuring faster delivery and seamless service. Trusted by industry leaders who move the nation forward. Looking for a partner who sees beyond the obvious? Dhanvanthri Engineers, your automation partner in a world that demands more.